Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the Mini GT Lamborghini Huracan STO in Blu Lauley. Is that how you say it? Lauley? I'm not sure. Sorry if I said it wrongly, but yeah. So this is number 475, I guess from all Mini GTs. And it says a Mini GT right there. Does it have a Lambo logo? Yes, it does. Lamborghini logo right there. And yeah, moving on to the back. TSM model and Lamborghini licensing and TSM licensing as well. Just the back. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So I think the one that I bought right here is the first version of the STO, newly introduced, but it has been launched a long time ago. Yeah, I'm reviewing it today for you guys. Let's talk a bit about the Huracan STO. So this Huracan STO is basically a road legal track version car, basically. You can use it for the road, you can use it for the track. It's something similar to the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Now, if you're wondering, yes, this is a combination of blue and orange, and obviously I took this version over the other colors, as like for right now there are a total of I think 2 more colors that has been released. One is in orange and black, and another one would be like this sort of like that metallic green, if I'm not mistaken. I don't see the white and blue version, which is also a great color to collect. And this is also a great color to collect, not gonna lie. I do quite like this color as well. So it's in that like light blue and orange combination. Kind of reminds me of a golf combination color. But golf is more to like sky blue. This is more to that Blu Lauley color just now, just like I said. But yeah, the color combo and the car is interesting, really interesting. For a track toy, and also more to like a road legal car, which sounds really awesome on the road. It's pretty nice and pretty sweet to hear. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself right here. Here it is, the Lamborghini STO, Huracan STO, and as you can see on the side we have the specially made Lamborghini rims. I think specially made for the STO, I'm not entirely sure. Or maybe they use these rims for other Huracans as well. Maybe the Huracan Evo. I think they use the same rims as well, I think. But yeah, overall pretty interesting with that tiny little Lamborghini badge right there. Which Mini GT gives so much attention to almost everything, including their rims. Even though this is more to a $12 to $15 like car, they still give extra detail and attention to their rims, because, well, obviously they gotten the Lamborghini licensing, so they had to do it. So you have some orange trim at the bottom right here near the side bumper right there, which is pretty nice. Some black bits right there as well. It says STO diagonally right there at the door. Anything else? I don't think so. I mean, like, you have this rubber like side mirror, which is a bit fragile, obviously, as you can tell. Moving on to the front, you have this front splitter right here, which is awesome, in a touch of white and black. So you have some orange bits on the front as well near the splitter, which is awesome to see. I love the orange bits. Lamborghini headlights, which I think they are printed, or is it like actual headlights? I mean, like transparent headlights. I'm not entirely sure, but they do have some slight detail, which I do really like. Lamborghini logo right there as well. You have a small tad bit of orange bit right there near the hood scoops right there as well. Some more bigger black bits right there, which is awesome to see. Blacked out interior, normal tint for the window. You have a black roof moved onto the back of the car, which is pretty nice. So yeah, here is the other side with the STO badge right there, STO logo, I guess. So moving on to the back, you have this massive rear spoiler with what appears to be another scoop, like roof scoop, I guess, right here. Moving on to the back right there, so you have like 2 hood scoops from the front, pushes air towards this rear roof scoop right here and towards the back of the car, which is pretty nice. So here you have the rear lights Lamborghini badge, Lamborghini logo right there. Some more orange bits, which I do like. But yeah, some more orange bits on the side of the rear spoiler as well. But yeah, plastic spoiler, by the way, in case if you're wondering. Do they have diffusers? I think they do have diffusers right there. Yes, they do. And single exhaust pipe on each side, just if you're wondering, right there, which is pretty nice. Okay, so metallic metallic black metallic base, which is loaded with fingerprints, as you can tell. Mini GT made in China. Overall, I kind of like it. This STO is made by a few other diecast brands, like I believe Tomica. Hotwheels doesn't do it. Matchbox doesn't. Yeah, I think Mini GT and Tomica are the main ones that makes the STO. But yeah, in this blue and orange livery, it's really tempting to get it because it's either you get the blue and orange or maybe white and blue. It's just that they look great, even though it's like weird colors. Like for other people, it kind of seems weird colors. But if you were to go get the blue and orange version, then go ahead and grab the white and blue version as soon as it's announced and launched in the future. But yeah, the blue and orange one seems pretty nice. I do really like it. It's, well, one of my favorites, I guess. I do quite like it. And yeah, overall quite a sick casting as well for the STO. I'm a fan of the STO and the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series. Both of them are great, track legal and road legal cars. Overall, both of them are sick. And yeah, Mini GT did a good job on this casting. Even though they've done the Huracan Evo, their plan of making the STO came true, and basically it looks pretty nice and totally a must get, I would say. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Lamborghini Huracan STO in this blue and orange livery, which is pretty nice. But yeah, there you go. That's my review. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.